one of the reasons to support the charity itself. My name is Ashley Ryan. I'm here with my son. He's a fanatic about old cars.
The purpose we're here today is just for the charity that's been organised here in the hotel. The car is a 1914 Ford Model T. Now we have, I think, between 150 and 200 all over Ireland. It's comfortable driving.
We're here today to support Bambulence. We think it's a great charity. It's a great family day out. We're really enjoying it. We're going over there now to the magician and the balloon maker and really enjoying it.
We're here fundraising to try and get a new ambulance on the road for Cork City and County, the Rebel Bambulence, and we're going to try and help about 500 children every year with our new vehicle. The vehicles are unique, specifically designed for kids. So we have the latest Wi-Fi, iPads, Netflix, movies, DVDs, PlayStation 4 games, just to make the journey to and from hospital very comfortable. Everything we do to help the kids across Ireland cannot be done without the support of the people who are here today, our sponsors, the Cork #1 International Hotel, and also to the people who get involved running races and doing fundraisers for us.
Every single year we pick one charity that we work with for the duration of the year, and the charity of the year for the Cork International is Bambulence. So this is the inaugural car show at the Cork International Hotel, and it's now going to be an annual event. So we have in excess of 130 cars and bikes on site today. So we have American cars, vintage cars, Harleys, and a selection of so much more. So we're delighted with the turnout today and delighted that people came out to support our charity Bambulence. So we're really lucky with the location of the car show this year, because obviously it's on tarmac ground, which is perfect for the cars. But not only that, you've the access to the hotel where people can have lunch or they can have a coffee and relax inside with their families. And of course today we have some wonderful children's entertainment, so it's keeping the little ones happy, which is all important.